YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out for a little Sunday morning ride today. Figured I would get a vlog in. Got something I want to talk about. I'm actually heading up to the Panera Bread in Danbury, Connecticut for the first time this season. I'm going to take a look, see how many guys are up there, see who's hanging out. I should say guys and girls. But on the way up there, I decided to do a little Motorcycling with Carl PSA, public service announcement. Alright, so what I want to talk about is something about safety. Usually I don't have videos about safety or anything, but this is just something that was abruptly brought to my attention the other day. So I was out. I don't ride much on the highways. I got, my Sportster. I go riding. I love back roads like this. Just go for a little rip down them. So I'm out. I was actually on the project bike coming down a back road like this in Westport, Connecticut, and just, going along. I was probably doing around the speed limit, maybe 5 above or something. I mean, I wasn't flying or doing anything wrong. And as I'm going down the road, I notice a delivery truck. I love delivery trucks because they bring me all my goodies for my motorcycle. So I'm not going to bash them. I'm not going to name names. But I know there's a delivery truck coming at me and I'm riding along. There's a car behind me. And I got to tell you guys, I had to change my underwear. Never in a million years did I think I'm on this red bike going down here. This guy must have been looking for a driveway, right? And he was not looking forward to see if anybody's coming. His GPS or whatever said turn here, and let me tell you, that MF turned right there, right in front of me. I had to give it everything I got to get that bike stopped safely in time and not hit that truck. All right, it was so fast and everything, I had no opportunity to hit the horn even. So I saw the truck goes in the driveway and I didn't have a chance really to react and yell anything out, but the car behind me did. The guy in the car behind me, the FedEx guy must have saw me at the last minute. I'll have to edit that out. Must have saw me at the last minute, and he kind of stopped when he pulled in the driveway. And all I hear is the guy behind me in the car going, "What the F is the matter with you, you stupid F? You almost killed that guy on the motorcycle. You better start paying attention." And at that point, I'm like, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm just going. And the guy behind me pulled up next to me at the next stop, and he was like, "Are you alright, man? That was close." I mean, we ride motorcycles. We know it's a dangerous undertaking. Everybody says, yeah, I'm willing to take the risk or whatever, but the risk is real. I saw the video of Ty from Tennessee and Winnie, and that video kind of got to me a little bit. But like they say, if you love to ride, you're gonna get on the bike, you're gonna ride. So here I am, I'm out riding. But either way, back to the delivery people, it's, when I was a kid, you had your few delivery trucks, whatever. You could go out and ride on the weekend, and chances are you weren't going to see them. You would see a post office truck on Saturdays, but Sundays was a quiet day. Nowadays, it's a 7-day-a-week business, all right? And with the pandemic, everything is being delivered. There's a super amount of delivery trucks. I know they're having problems hiring people because unemployment pays so much to stay home. So who knows really what quality of driver they're getting to drive these trucks. And when I was a kid, I don't really remember these bigger trucks and everything actually pulling into anybody's driveway. They used to just pull on the street and stop, and they would run down the driveway with the package and deliver it, you know. But now I notice they have their smaller vans. Even some of the big trucks I've seen slamming into people's driveways to turn around and stuff. All stuff they're probably not supposed to do. But the moral of this story, guys, is 7 days a week now out there riding on your motorcycles. You got a delivery truck coming at you on the other side of the road. Guess what? I would say expect that guy to do or girl to do absolutely anything, cut you off, because they probably have a delivery schedule to keep. There's probably a lot of pressure on them. And when that thing says turn, if they're near past the driveway or something, they may panic and turn fast. So my big concern used to be people on their cell phone while I'm riding at stoplights. I'm always worried about getting rear-ended, people not paying attention. But after that incident, it opened my eyes to something else that, I mean, on a motorcycle, you always have to be aware of everything around you and be careful and expect the unexpected. But after that happened, it kind of woke me up to thinking about how things have changed about delivery services and how many more there are on the road, and the experience level of the drivers may not be there. All of a sudden you put somebody with no experience driving a larger vehicle. So hey, that is motorcycling with Carl's safety whatever, probably for the year, guys. So I know I left a comment on Walton, PA. I was thinking about asking him to do a thing about this, because I commented on his, and right away he came back with a comment, oh yeah, I was cut off by a delivery truck, you know, this week or just the other day. So I'm sure it's happening to a lot of people out there. Just be safe. What the hell? Hey, hey, hey! Mr. Woodchuck! He came out for a little run here, but I decided to film the ending where I got cut off, just to show you guys. So I was out riding with my buddy for the afternoon, and I decided to refilm the ending because I came this way. But it was right here, coming over this little bridge. The truck was coming down this hill. All right, I'm right here, truck's there. Bam, right into this driveway right here. Cut me right off. So nowadays, look out for those delivery trucks. So let you know, went up to Panera this morning. There was probably 25 bikes there. Wasn't a ton of guys, but it turned into it is a beautiful day out. The temperatures are incredible. My bike is actually running awesome. I mean, I can't tell you the difference this Memphis Shades Del Rio makes. It's just so comfortable. At a point in the ride, we were on a piece of highway. I looked down, I was doing almost 70 and didn't even realize I was doing 70, which is incredible for this bike. So highly recommend that. But for some reason all day on this ride, I can't think of a reason why, but in my head all I keep hearing all day is, darn woodchucks, stop chucking my wood. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my little video. I hate to, you know, be a preacher of all stuff, so my videos usually don't have much to do with riding safety or anything like that, because I am not a riding instructor. But it's just something I noticed, and you know, just something to be aware of, guys. And the thing is, now Sundays used to be a day where you didn't even have to worry about delivery vehicles, but it's a 7-day-a-week business now, and they're crazy, but we all love them because they bring all our motorcycle parts and all our goodies. So just wanted to do a video on that. Alright, until next time, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And this is Carl, saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Time to get gas. All day. Hey, look, Amazon Prime coming down somebody's driveway on a Sunday.